Namaste to all, welcome to Lively Homestyle. Shravana or Savan is my favorite month of the year as we look forward to lots of auspicious celebrations. And it's green everywhere. The celebration starts with Nag Panchami and we prepare a traditional sweet dumpling called patoli using these turmeric leaves. These leaves give a wonderful flavor and aroma to the dish. Firstly, cook jaggery and coconut together till you get one string consistency. Here we have used liquid jaggery. You can use the normal powdered jaggery or grated jaggery as well. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the dough. Here we are using two kinds of dough. For the rice flour dough, take rice flour, salt in a bowl and knead it by adding water to a smooth dough. For the wheat flour dough, take wheat flour, salt and oil in a bowl. Add water and knead to a sticky dough like this. Apply some oil over it and set aside. Now the coconut is cooked well in the jaggery syrup. At this point, add elaichi powder, roasted sesame seeds, roughly chopped cashews and mix well. Stuffing is ready. Now take the clean turmeric leaves, smear some oil, take out a small portion of dough and spread on the leaf like this as thin as possible. Dip your finger in oil or water while spreading. Add the filling in the center. Now fold the leaf vertically like this and seal the edges by pressing gently. Steam cook these for 20 to 30 minutes on high flame. Peel off the turmeric leaves and enjoy patholi. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos or recipes in the future.